Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How I Make Carbonated Spicy Chilli with cocoa beans and chili tea peach mango. First thing you gotta do is you put in the spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea bag into this mug, and then you fill it with water. Hold on. Okay, that's better. Now, last but not least, you fill in the peach mango sparkling water into this mug. And then fill in. Okay. And there you go, folks. Here is your carbonated spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea peach mango. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace, cheers, and thanks.